Yeah, good morning. My name is Victor and I'm a tech support at VTU Price. And today I'll be talking on managing users requests, like managing pending transactions, how to like approve them, how to disapprove them, this kind of stuff. So now let me start with this. Let me try to make a transaction and let me make sure it's a failed one. So I need to verify that actually. So let me try to like import a new one. Import API for, let me see, for data. Let me try to import an API for data. Okay, let me say okay, let me try Ebro links. Yeah, sure. Let me try Ebro links now. You can see I have the settings here. That's for data I imported for SMA. You can see I have the API right here. The setup is here. So that's one good thing about VTU Price. You don't need to just like contact developers to like set all this up for you. With the help of the importer page here, you just like bring it out and everything just boom, it works out. So I need to use a wrong API key. So then just cancel that and make sure that I get a wrong API key for that. Alright, now let me try to purchase data for SMA. Alright, use my pen. Okay, you can see here, you can actually click on Y to see the reason why it failed. You'll be able to see JSON response. You can see I'm having a JSON response here. You can see unauthorized request, and that's because I'm not having my API attached to it. So that's why I'm getting this. So now let's assume that I have my API, everything is correctly set up, but at the end of the vendor has issue with their system, or let me say they have issue, a server turned down, and actually the transaction went through, it was successful. So now how do I like approve that? Because already if I check up my history here, my transaction history, I'm just assuming I'm a user here. So let me just check up transactions. Let me check up data. Okay, you can see I'm having it pending here. Already I have been debited. Okay, I've been debited. So this is the amount I bought actually. With 81 blah blah blah. So this is what I'm having here. You can see. So now the user is debited and I need to mark it as let me see, approved. I have to approve it to make it successful. Then what you need to do is to come to the history, then you locate the service. Let me say the service is this with ID 123. One thing is you can search by phone number, you can search by ID, you can search by other stuff. No, so just come to data and then click on pending. It's a pending transaction. So let me see, let me just try to like search by that phone number without the leading zero, please. Okay, okay, I'm having this. So these are the transactions that took place with the phone number. You can see that it's a pending data transaction. So you can see this here. The ID is 123. You can locate that, and you can locate that with this actually. Let me try this. Let me try the ID. I've not been able to locate that actually. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this. So and I can actually, without even searching, I can see the list of all pending transactions. You can see I'm having them here. and this which I've just initiated is appearing here. So what you have to do is to mark it as as a successful one. So you can just come here and then mark successful, and then I need to confirm that I'm marking it as successful. Alright, so you can see that here it's successful. So let's try to like make other pending ones too. Alright, there's this. Okay, the ID is 119. Let me try to like mark that as failed. Okay, let me just make a new transaction. Alright, so let's assume now that a user, because on video price, if a user makes any transaction, whether successful or failed, the system automatically marks it as they are already pending, they're all pending, whether successful. If they're successful, they mark successful, but if they are failed or maybe these are some issues, it marks as pending. So let's assume that a user bought data. Right, let's assume a user bought data. So he got a data of blah blah blah. I have the same response actually because I'm not having the correct API attached. So already the user is debited. The user will be debited. So I'm not sure if you noticed that. So this is my current balance, and let me try to initiate another one. So you can see I'm having, let me just say 450 here. 450 here, that's the last four, then 3 digits. This is the actual balance for just for this heck. Let me just say this. So now let me try to purchase that. So proceed. Okay, now check the balance. Now you can see I've already been charged that amount. I've already been charged how much. You can see it's 200. I was having 450 here before, so I bought a plan of 200 naira, and that's why I've been debited. So now let me try to mark this as failed, because already let's assume I checked my vendor end and I saw that it's a failed request. It's a failed request, so I have to just like refund my user. I have to like refund my user. So coming back here, because I'm having those two pending, so I need to refund my user for that amount. So now let me say what's the ID of the transaction. It is 125 125. Let me mark it as this. So let me search for that. You can see it was, my balance was 605,000. Oh, sorry, it is 6,553,450, and now I am having 6,553,250. So I need to like refund the user. So please take note of this. Let me just show you my current balance here. Okay, I'm having this balance, so I need to refund the user. I just mark this out and then click on reverse transaction. So reverse. So now I'm reversing. You can see transactions refunded. So now you can see now my balance is back to where it was before. So now checking that, I won't be seeing that on this pending transactions anymore. I'll be seeing that on the failed transaction. You can see 125 125. You can see that here, right? So that is how to manage transactions on video price, and how to approve and how to pend and how to check up the successful ones. You can see I have some list of successful transactions here, which is this is it. Now you can see that it is a successful one. So what if there's other issue? Let me say user buys the data, all the credentials are all correct. Let me say they are all correct, but it's a bank, it's not working. What do I do? What you have to do is send up a ticket on VTUprice.com. Okay, just send us a ticket. This is the link, VTUprice.com/ticket. So there you can create a new ticket, or the best way which I would advise is to join our Telegram group. Our Telegram group is t.me/VTUpriceOfficial. Alright, this just the link to Telegram group actually. So you can even see that on your dashboard. I just come to your dashboard here. You can see the join our Telegram group, and you can even see that open a ticket here. So you can join our Telegram group and just bring up the issues, post it, and we attend to you. But make sure when you are giving us issues with failed transactions, when all your credentials are correct, make sure you send the screenshots of the why, like I told you about that when I tried to made when I made a transaction of this. Okay, let me just show you what you have to do when you on how to create that. Okay, let me just show you this now. So this is why you can see error with previous balance check. Okay, I just need to do this. The reason why I had this issue was because I returned, like let me say I refunded the user with that amount. That was why I was having that issue. So to solve that issue, the only way is just to, like, let me just say I debit the user, or you like close up this tab and then you bring it out again. So because it's a season for hacking issue, because we had too many issues with hackers flooding video press up, so we have just like implement that features. You can disable that actually. So let me just say I'm closing this down now. So let me bring that up again and bring that up again. Okay, so and bring that up again. So the season is already closed, so you can just advise your user to do that. And that's so let me bring this up. Sorry for that actually. So I'm just trying to just like elaborate on something. All right, let me buy a new data there. Okay, send me MTN this. Okay, and sorry. Alright, this is actually the JSON response of that transaction. So let me come back to video price. So what you need to do is to make sure that you copy up this part, this response. After you've copied it, send it to us on Telegram or open a ticket as per this, but make sure that this response is sent to us so we could just like read it through and give it what it actually meant, because not all users are developers, though majority of our users are developers. So but if you're not a developer, you don't understand this. Actually, it's just saying the message is just this is the main message. Actually, it's just saying unauthorized request, because I'm not having the correct connotations attached. So thank you, and I hope already you know how to manage users accounts. Okay, so thank you and stay blessed.